Imagine this. You're flipping through channels on your TV, looking for something to watch, maybe a favorite show or a new movie. Suddenly, a news bulletin interrupts your program. The screen flashes with urgent red and white text. It's an alert, a major alert, the kind that makes your heart skip a beat. A large asteroid, roughly the size of a small city, is on a direct collision course with Earth. The news anchor's voice is steady, but you can sense the underlying tension. The estimated time of impact? 5 years. 5 short years to prepare for something that could change life as we know it. The news sends chills down your spine. You feel a mix of disbelief and fear. It feels surreal, like something out of a science fiction movie. But this isn't a scene from a blockbuster, but this is no movie. This is real life, unfolding right before your eyes. This is our reality. A reality where massive space rocks pose a tangible threat to our planet and everything on it. The vastness of space suddenly feels very close. The possibility of an asteroid impact isn't just the stuff of Hollywood blockbusters. It's a scientific fact backed by years of research and observation. Earth has been hit before and it will be hit again. The craters on our planet's surface are silent witnesses to these catastrophic events. The question is not if, but when. Time is ticking and the countdown has already begun, and what we can do about it. Scientists and engineers are already brainstorming solutions, working tirelessly to devise a plan. This isn't about inciting panic. It's about being informed and proactive. This is about understanding the risks and preparing for them. Knowledge is our first line of defense. Just like we prepare for hurricanes, earthquakes, and other natural disasters, we need to have a plan in place for an asteroid impact. We need to prepare for the possibility of an asteroid impact. This involves international cooperation, advanced technology, and public awareness. Our very survival might depend on it. Together we can face this challenge head-on and ensure a safer future for generations to come. 66 million years ago, a colossal asteroid, roughly the size of Manhattan, slammed into Earth near the Yucatan Peninsula. This event marked one of the most significant turning points in the history of our planet. This wasn't just another space rock. This was a planet killer, a celestial body with the power to reshape the world as we know it. The impact triggered catastrophic events that would forever alter the course of life on Earth. The sheer force of the collision released energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. The Chicxulub impact, as it's known, unleashed unimaginable forces. The explosion created a crater over 90 miles wide and 12 miles deep, a scar that remains visible to this day. Imagine earthquakes thousands of times stronger than anything we've ever experienced. These seismic waves rippled through the Earth's crust, causing massive upheavals and reshaping the landscape. Picture tsunamis towering miles high, sweeping across continents. These colossal waves inundated coastal regions, leaving destruction in their wake and altering coastlines permanently. The immediate aftermath was devastating, but the long-term effects were even more profound. Ecosystems were obliterated, and the very fabric of life on Earth was torn apart. Dust and debris choked the atmosphere, plunging the planet into darkness. This thick veil blocked out sunlight, disrupting photosynthesis and leading to a collapse in the food chain. Temperatures plummeted, triggering a global winter that lasted for years. This prolonged period of cold and darkness decimated plant and animal life, leading to widespread extinction. The result? A mass extinction event that wiped out nearly 76% of all plant and animal species on Earth, including the dinosaurs. This event paved the way for the rise of mammals and eventually humans. The Chicxulub impact serves as a stark reminder of our planet's vulnerability. It highlights the fragility of life and the ever-present threat posed by celestial objects. It's a cosmic wake-up call, urging us to take the threat of asteroid impact seriously. Modern technology allows us to monitor the skies and detect potential threats long before they reach us. We have the technology to detect and potentially deflect these celestial threats. Advanced systems and international cooperation are key to safeguarding our planet from future impacts. What we need now is the will to act. By investing in research, technology, and global collaboration, we can ensure that humanity is prepared to face these cosmic challenges. The legacy of the Chicxulub impact is a testament to the resilience of life and a call to action for future generations. The Chicxulub impact timeline reveals a sequence of catastrophic events. Within seconds of the impact, a fireball incinerated everything in its path. Minutes later, shockwaves triggered global earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The impact ejected vast amounts of debris into the atmosphere, creating an ejector blanket that spread across the globe. This debris rained down, causing wildfires and further contributing to the atmospheric darkness. Sulfur aerosols released by the impact led to acid rain, which devastated plant life and disrupted ecosystems. The combination of darkness, cold, and acid rain created a hostile environment for survival. Over time, sunlight gradually returned and life began to recover. New species emerged, adapting to the changed environment. This period of recovery set the stage for the evolution of mammals and the eventual rise of humans. Today, the Chicxulub crater stands as a testament to the power of cosmic events. It reminds us of the delicate balance of life on Earth and the importance of understanding our planet's history to prepare for its future. The first step in protecting ourselves from asteroid impacts is knowing what's out there. Our planet is constantly under the threat of objects from space, and understanding these threats is crucial for our survival. Luckily, we're not flying blind in the cosmic dark. With advancements in technology and a global network of observatories, we have eyes on the sky 24/7. Astronomers around the world are constantly scanning the skies, searching for near-Earth objects, which include asteroids and comets that could pose a threat to our planet. These dedicated scientists work tirelessly, often through the night, to ensure that no stone is left unturned in the vast expanse of space. Using powerful telescopes and sophisticated software, these cosmic guardians track the movements of NEOs, calculating their trajectories and assessing their potential for impact. The data they gather is meticulously analyzed, helping to predict the paths of these objects with remarkable accuracy. They're like the lookouts on a ship, constantly scanning the horizon for danger. Just as a lookout warns of approaching hazards, astronomers alert us to potential cosmic threats. In 2012, an asteroid named 2012 DA14 gave us a close shave, passing within 17,200 miles of Earth. This event was a wake-up call, highlighting the need for constant vigilance. That's closer than some satellites. The proximity of 2012 DA14 to our planet was a stark reminder of the potential dangers lurking in space. While it didn't pose a threat on that occasion, it served as a stark reminder of how close we can come to a cosmic collision. Such near misses emphasize the importance of our ongoing efforts to monitor and track these objects. These close encounters underscore the importance of early detection. The sooner we identify a potential threat, the more time we have to devise a plan to address it. The more time we have to prepare for a potential impact, the better our chances of successfully deflecting or mitigating the threat. Scientists are exploring various strategies, from altering an asteroid's path to breaking it into smaller, less dangerous pieces. Remember, in space, forewarned is forearmed. By staying vigilant and prepared, we can protect our planet from the threats that lie beyond our atmosphere. The work of astronomers and scientists is our first line of defense against these cosmic dangers. Advanced software algorithms play a crucial role in this process. These programs can predict the future positions of asteroids with high precision, allowing us to forecast potential impacts years or even decades in advance. Collaboration is key. International space agencies and research institutions share data and resources, creating a global network of vigilance. This collective effort enhances our ability to detect and respond to potential threats. Space missions also contribute valuable information. By sending probes to study asteroids up close, we gain insights into their composition and behavior, which can inform our strategies for deflection or mitigation. Research and development in asteroid deflection technology are ongoing. From kinetic impactors to gravity tractors, scientists are exploring innovative methods to alter an asteroid's course and prevent a collision with Earth. The vigilance of astronomers, the precision of technology, and the spirit of international cooperation all combine to form a robust defense system. By continuously seeking out threats from the void, we can safeguard safer future for generations to come. Detecting a potentially hazardous asteroid is only the first step. The next and arguably more challenging step is figuring out what to do about it. Luckily, scientists and engineers have been hard at work developing strategies to deflect asteroids and prevent them from colliding with Earth. One promising approach is called kinetic impact. The idea is simple. Slam a spacecraft into the asteroid at high speed, altering its trajectory enough to miss Earth. It's like playing cosmic billiards, using a well-aimed shot to nudge the asteroid out of harm's way. In 2022, NASA launched the Double Asteroid Redirection Test Mission, a groundbreaking experiment to test the kinetic impactor technique. DART successfully collided with a small asteroid named Dimorphos, demonstrating the feasibility of deflecting asteroids. While DART was a crucial first step, other deflection strategies are being explored, including gravity tractors and even nuclear options as a last resort. The key is to have multiple tools in our planetary defense toolbox, ready to respond to any potential threat. Gravity tractors work by using a spacecraft's gravitational pull to slowly alter an asteroid's path over time. Nuclear deflection, though a last resort, involves detonating a nuclear device near the asteroid to change its course. International collaboration is essential, as deflecting an asteroid requires global coordination and shared resources. Public awareness and education are also crucial, ensuring that people understand the importance of planetary defense and support necessary measures. As technology advances, our ability to detect and deflect asteroids will continue to improve, making our planet safer for future generations.